Alden Nature update. Yan outfit ni Alden sa GMA Gala 2024 sa Marriott Hotel. At may picture din siya kay Doc Curb. Ito pa nga interview at pagrampa ni Alden sa red carpet.
Alden
GMA
Richards.
Gala.
Martin. Yes, Pat Bush. Hello. Good evening po everyone. Wow, grabe, very overwhelming yung energy ngayon ng GMA Gala. It's giving like we're gonna have a good night tonight.
Wow.
So,
for
talaga
sure.
maaasahan yan. Okay.
Alam mo, last year, we have the same stylist by the way.
Yes, Studio 24C.
Shout out. Laging may kwento, yung pagkuha ng outfit, pag-obtain ng outfit ni Alden. Kinikwentohan ako, ito na pinisent namin. Meron siyang ibang hinahanap. This year, Alden, talk about your outfit and the story behind it.
Ito, wala masyadong kwento to, Martin. Ano lang to, so this is a Dolce & Gabbana suit. Tapos paired with, ito, yung mga embellishments natin. This is Schiaparelli. And then, parang mas, I wanted tonight's outfit to be more relaxed than dun sa mga previous na nasuot ko. This is the third GMA Gala and masarap sa pakiramdam eh. Parang, last year kasi parang nagganito rin ako yung walang inner. So ngayon, wala rin siya. So to keep it more relaxed and para mas makakilos lang ako ng maayos so I can interact with everyone.
Oh, so just for context, last year he went with an LV.
Yes, LV jacket.
Look, LV
parang
jacket.
na may brooch dito. So ito may brooch din pero birds naman.
Ba't ka this year nag-DNG ka?
Ewan ko si Meli kasi ito eh. Shout out Meli, thank you, Studio 24C and of course to my glam team, Sir Steven and Sir Nelson Cruz, Steven Deloso.
Okay. We have to congratulate Alden because, you know, we've been seeing the trailers for Pulang
Thank you
Araw.
so much, thank you.
Ngayon pa lang inaabangan na natin for sure it's gonna be a hit.
Promote pa rin si Alden.
Talk about that and the upcoming premiere.
Yeah, so sa mga kapuso po nating nanonood ngayon, we're very excited. Pulang Araw po, this coming July 26 na. 6 na tulog na lang on Netflix and July 29 naman po mapapanood sa GMA Prime after 24 oras. So all of us sa set, yung mga co-stars ko or directors, the creatives are very excited to for our kapusos to see what we have been working on this past few months. So excited kami and Pulang Araw para sa bayan, laban.
Yan. Thank you so much, Alden.
Thank you, Martin.
This is not the last time we'll be seeing of Mr. Alden Richards.
O mamaya sa lobby, ikot-ikot ako dyan.
Mag-iikot.
Mag-igot daw si
Yun lang,
Alden.
yun lang. Sneak peek. Alright, thank you, Alden.
Thank you. Ina tayo at congratulations sa Pulang Araw. Mga kapuso, ilang tulog na lang yan.
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update. Ito po ang Nature Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.